कि आपने बोला कि यू हैव अ वॉइड ऑफ नॉट सीइंग अ किड ग्रोइंग अप.
I didn't have it earlier.
हाँ.
But I think when you grow older in age, growing in years is a process of, and I'm not romanticizing it, is a process of loneliness. और इसका बड़ा अच्छा एग्जाम्पल, बड़ा अच्छा इसके बारे में बात मेरे दादाजी ने कही थी. He said, the more you understand life, the more you will become lonelier. And the more you understand life, it can only happen with age. And for a person like me, there are so many fake people, even at the age of 70 or 65 or whatever. They've lived a fake life. I have not. So I also don't camouflage feelings, because I think it should be open as much as you can, as long as it doesn't hurt anybody. So I did feel when I was 60 that यार एक बच्चे को बड़ा होता देखने में बड़ी एक because I do a lot of work with children. My foundation does a lot of work. I am fond of children in terms of I used to do a show called Say Na Something to Anupam Uncle, which was a children's show. So somebody asked me, do you feel this? I said, yeah, and it's a truth. तो इसमें but that doesn't mean that.
But उस time पे क्यों decision लिया that you don't want kids?
So it didn't happen for the first time. It did not. Kiran could not conceive it, and then once she conceived, then we had to sort of. It was not growing in the right manner, and I was too busy making it big. I was too busy, तो वो नहीं था. और सिकंदर अच्छा था, अभी भी अच्छा है सिकंदर मेरे लिए. वो बड़ा छोटा था, 4 साल का था जब हमारे पास आया था वो. He was 4 years old when I married Kiran. So महसूस नहीं हुआ. Just because अब महसूस हो रहा तो तब महसूस क्यों नहीं हुआ? There is no answer to it.
But अभी in today's generation, if you know, DINK करके category, you know, double income no kids, a category of people.
Yeah.
वो बढ़ते जा रही है कि दोनों हस्बैंड वाइफ एम्बिशियस हैं, साथ में काम करते हैं, दे वांट टू स्पेंड ऑन देमसेल्व्स, और वो रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी नहीं जाते बच्चे की, उनको नहीं चाहिए.
I think they will feel bad about it when they will be in their late 50s. मैं अभी भी कितने लोगों को बोलता हूँ, don't do that. It is not the question of अपनी उसको आगे बढ़ाना, not only that. It is the question of, as I said to you again, that sense of loneliness becomes more. अब मैं जैसे मैं 10 बजे 8 बजे तक काम कर सकता हूँ, मैं 9 बजे तक काम कर सकता हूँ, मैं कुछ बहुत काम करता हूँ. आपने आते पूछा था कि आप
इतनी सारी
चीजें कैसे करते हैं, बिकॉज आई थिंक समवेयर आई डोंट वांट टू बी ऑन माय ओन.
डर लगता है अकेलेपन?
नहीं, एक खला सी होती है. खला मतलब एक खला इज द राइट वर्ड, बट एक emptiness is, you know, all these interpretations of sadness. I'm not saying it from a sad point of view. I'll say that I am a people's person. I like to be
around people.
In the crowd. मैं अकेला कैसे, मैंने कभी खाना नहीं खाता हूँ. मैंने बहुत कम मौकों पे अकेला खाना खाया. मैं होटल में अगर होता हूँ तो मैं कमरे में खाना नहीं खाता, मैं लॉबी में जाके खाना खाता हूँ. मैं किसी ना किसी को पकड़ता हूँ कि मेरे साथ बैठ तू खाना खाना. मुझे लगता है कि मेरे ग्रैंडफादर यूज्ड टू से दैट ईटिंग फूड अलोन इज द बिगेस्ट एक्ट ऑफ लोनलीनेस. और उसका फिजिकल एग्जाम्पल ये है कि आपने रोटी तोड़ी, आपने दाल में मिलाई, सब्जी मिलाई, ये तो एक्शन चल रहा है. अब आपने मुंह में डाल दिया, अब आपके पास सिवाय चबाने को कुछ नहीं है. तो these are my thoughts. I like people. I'm a people oriented person. मैं अगर कैब में हूँ, ऑटो में हूँ, तो मैं उनसे बात करता हूँ. मैं सुबह जाता हूँ लोगों से, मुझे सब कुछ पता है लोगों के बारे में, which helps me as a person. So I think that some people like solitude. I don't like solitude.
I like mix of both.
Yeah.
I'm a very people's person and I'm a very lonely person. Lonely is not word. Like I love it alone. Solid.
You want your time. Today's generation says, I want me time. I don't want me time. I have enough of me time. Another thing which today's generation, and I think I am from today's generation, but one of the things which they say, which I don't agree with at all, which they say, that's the way I am. If you say that is the way I am, that means you've finished your growth. I will at the age of 95 also not say that's the way I am.
क्यों?
Because there is so much to learn.
So much to
Every
grow and
single
there's room
day.
to...
Every single day, there is so much to observe, learn. We are actors, even human beings. My grandfather also, not necessarily you're an actor, but there is so much to learn. How can I be the same person? Though my father was the same person in terms of going and coming back, but he was not the same person. Timing was he was.
You know, you picked up, आज की जनरेशन बोलते हैं, तो ऐसे कंपेयर करते हैं relationships in your generation, relationships in today's generation. Let's talk about that.
इसका क्या मतलब है आपका? मेरी जनरेशन
जब आप when you were 20s.
हाँ, ऐसा बोलो ना. मेरी जनरेशन तो आज की है, मैं आपके वाइब का हूँ. हाँ,
I agree. Right till now, I could agree with that.
हाँ, नहीं, I think it's not the generation only. It is also, I grew up in a small town on a hill station. वहाँ 6 महीने तो आंख से आंख मिलाने में लग जाते थे. आप कितना ही पसंद कर लो. उसके बाद 3 महीने लग जाते थे बताने में कि मैं आपको पसंद करता हूँ. और मैं ऊपर से हिंदी मीडियम स्कूल का लड़का था. मुझे इंग्लिश मीडियम स्कूल की लड़कियां पसंद आती थी. क्यों? Because there was this little
charm था,
outgoingness of. अब मेरे को एक थी लड़की मेरे प्ले में, उसका जिक्र, मैं अपना प्ले ऑन माई लाइफ करता हूँ, कुछ भी हो सकता है ऑन स्टेज. तो उसमें एक लड़की थी जो मिनी स्कर्ट पहनती थी, जिसका अब मैं कह सकता हूँ कि पाउट था, बट शी हैड अ फेस लाइक दिस. सो मैं उसके पीछे पीछे चलता रहता था अपने बेस्ट फ्रेंड के साथ, और हम चलते रहते थे. फिर कभी आगे निकल जाए तो हम फीता बांधना लगते थे. तो वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट द एवरीथिंग टुक टाइम एंड एवरीथिंग लास्टेड फॉर अ लॉन्गर टाइम. We did not have much knowledge about love. हम प्यार में राइज करते थे, फॉल तो अब करते हैं.
Do you think वो बेटर था कि अभी बेटर है? क्योंकि अभी
वो बेटर था.
क्यों?
Because I think relationships should be nurtured, and the result should be taken. You should take your own time to discover a relationship. It's discovery. Without passing judgment, I'm not saying that I'm sure there are a lot of people who are madly in love at this time also, but there was time to discover other person, goodness, good qualities, and बुरी qualities का पता लगता टाइम लगता था. अभी क्या है? Both of them are independent and rightfully so. The girl and the boy. मेरे mother father were married for 59 years. Because, first of all, they were arranged marriage. So उनको 7-8 साल या 10 साल तो लग गए होंगे एक दूसरे को डिस्कवर करने में. Then the mother had taken the role that मुझे घर का ख्याल रखना है और पिताजी जो है वो नौकरी करेंगे और बच्चों को बड़ा करेंगे. So there was no, roles were divided. And today's, because of the social structure, and rightfully so, the girls are educated, the girls they're empowered. Why should they take any kind of nonsense from a boy or something? Men by nature are insecure.
Why do you say this? Men by nature insecure होते हैं.
Because
love में in general.
In general, na, in a relationship खासकर. Because women are much more superior than men, because anybody who has the capability of giving birth to another life and preserving that life for 9 months and then going through the childbirth and then giving her own, feeding her and things like that, she has to be much more superior than that.
Yeah.
There is no way about it. I'm very sure about that. Women are superpower. And much more, and then to expect them to sort of take a back seat is not right. So, and we are not talking about typical couples. We are generally talking about that.